Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix app keeps closing in Amazon Music. So if the app keeps closing by itself, it's usually a system or app issue on your phone. So actually guys, to fix the issue you will need at first to restart the app or to force stop the app. And to do that on an iOS phone and even on an Android, you will need just to swipe up from the bottom of your phone and then just swipe up the app. So that way you will close it completely, okay? And you will force to stop it. Then just wait for a few seconds and open it again. So stops the background errors causing setting closes. I'm talking about for stopping the app, okay? And also I really advise you to do a restart to your phone that will clear the RAM and the temporary bugs, and it's very effective for random app closers, okay? And why not, let's check for an update as well. So just go with your Apple App Store or Google Play Store, look for Amazon Music app, okay, and find it, tap it, and tap on update if available, all right, because the old versions crash more often. Also, I do really advise you to update your phone system if you have a new update that you didn't do. So just go with your storage or your settings, phone settings, and then go with software updates available. You will visualize it under your iCloud account, okay? And then right here you will need to install the latest iOS updates, or if you're using Android, latest Android updates. That will fix the compatibility issues. And also I do really advise you to free up the storage. So just make sure that you have at least 1 to 2 gigabytes free and delete unused apps or videos. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.